Hello everyone, I'm Elton, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn $3,000 plus just by uploading simple videos. Okay, you just want to re-upload videos from other content creators, and let me tell you, this strategy that I'm going to show you is not common over YouTube. Other gurus don't teach this strategy. Okay, they simply teach to go to Creative Commons, download the video and upload it to your channel, but that's not it. I'm going to show you a way that you can create unique videos and you can be the first mover to upload those contents so that you can get more views, okay, and you can be ahead of the competition. Now with that said, let's get into the main content. Now let me show you some proof. Okay, let me show you a YouTube channel that is implementing the same strategy and earning a living out of it. Now here you can see this channel earns an estimate of monthly earnings from $3,000 to up to $50,000 plus, and as you can see over here on the right hand side, the views, okay, this channel is getting monthly views of 13 million plus. That means I would say their earning is literally close to $50,000 plus dollars, and if you see the yearly earnings over here, they are going up to $650,000, and isn't that great? And this channel is nothing but audio library. Okay, now some of y'all may be knowing this channel, some of y'all may be not. Let me tell you what this channel does. This channel does nothing but uploads non-copyright or free copyright music on their channel so that people like you and me, those who are going to be content creators, can use these songs or music in their background or for their short films or etc anyhow they want. Okay, and this channel provides the same. And let me show you another example of a YouTube channel that is way smaller than this but is pretty successful with this strategy. Okay, now if you search for royalty free music, no copyright music channel, you will see that they have around 50,000 subscribers. Okay, they have 50,000 subscribers and they have been uploading similar content. They have been doing the same re-uploading strategy on this channel, and if I open one of these videos, here you can see that also they have a visualizer behind, which is pretty simple. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can create these type of visualizers without even downloading any video editing software or learning any editing skills whatsoever. So stick with me and I will show you. Now as I told you before, I'll be showing you how you can get these songs, okay, these non-copyright songs, but they should be unique, right? Because if you see this Playground Quantum, whatever this song name is, this would be obviously available over YouTube again and again in multiple channels. So that means these songs are overly saturated because these other channels are taking these songs and again uploading to their channels. But we want to find some unique songs. Okay, we want to find some unique music so that you can be the first mover on YouTube and you can get the most of the views out of it. So first platform you want to go is soundcloud.com. Now most of y'all may be knowing this soundcloud.com, but if y'all don't know, soundcloud.com is nothing but a platform that displays multiple music from low artist, like from bottom artist to the top artist. You can listen to songs on here for free. What is the actual idea and what you want to do from over here? Obviously you can't directly take these songs and upload on your YouTube channel. You will obviously get a copyright strike. What you can do, what this strategy is about, you want to go and search, for example, rap. Okay, I go and search for rap in the search bar, and once I do that, you will see there are multiple artists right in front of you. And let me tell you, you want to find artists that have less than 4,000 to 5,000 followers. Why? I will tell you in a minute. Okay, you want to find these artists. So let me just show you. Okay, for example, I'll click on this artist over here. Now, once I click over here, you can see he has over 914 followers. He has over 22 tracks, and you can pretty go and listen to these songs. Are they decent or not to upload on your channel or no? And let me just show you another way where you can find these type of artists again and again, simple, by just going to the right hand side of the SoundCloud, and here you can see they suggest over here similar artists who have less followers. Now for example, I'll go and click on this person over here, and once I do that, here again you can see you have landed on this page. You can see even he or she has 22 tracks, and literally here you can see their name and here you can see their display picture. Oh, okay, I don't know exactly what this display picture is. I can only see a girl with an ice cream in her nose. If you all know what art is or what culture is, if I'm not understanding it, please comment down below the explanation about it if you all know about it. Now with that said, let's just go down below and let's just see about these songs over here. Now as you can see over here, this song has got over 100 views. Okay, this song has got only 68 views. This over here has got over only 100 views. That means this artist over here that has an ice cream in a nose wants some more traction, right? Wants some more fame. So what you can do is you can help this artist. Okay, you want to help this artist by featuring them on your YouTube channel. You want to help them by featuring their music on your YouTube channel. Exactly. And how you can do that, okay, how you can do this is simply you want to go and search for their social handles. Most of the artists have put their social handles over here, so you can go and directly DM them over there. For example, Instagram, you can message them over there on Instagram, or you can go and click on this send message over here. Once you click on send message, there will be a message box appearing right in front of you. Now, what you want to write in this message? Okay, I have written a short snippet that you want to send to these artists so that they will be convinced just in minutes. Okay, they will be convinced to give you their songs for free just in minutes. So I'll just copy this, I'll just paste it over here, and let me just read it out to you loudly what this message is about. Okay, here it goes like this. Hey X, X means the artist name. Okay, I'm Y, Y is your name, and have a YouTube channel named Z. Okay, and have a YouTube channel named Z. Okay, Z is your YouTube channel's name. You want to actually paste your YouTube channel's name over here, don't write Z, please. Okay, there are some viewers who will do this, write Z over there, just copy paste exactly what I have written over here. Please don't do that. Next is, and have a YouTube channel named Z where I upload non-copyright or free copyright music for my viewers. I have been listening to your songs and they are really amazing. I would love to do a collaboration with you, where I would like to feature your songs on my YouTube channel and provide it as a copyright free music for my viewers. With that, I will definitely mention all your social profiles in my description, including SoundCloud, to give you full credits. With this, you can also get more and more viewers to your songs and get to reach wider range of audience. That's it. You are creating a win-win situation over here. That means in this message, as you can see, you are showing that you are going to help this artist to reach more people, okay, to reach more wider range of audience, and with that you are also getting their sound where you can upload it and you can earn ad revenue from YouTube for doing that. That's it. This is how you find unique content. I'm sure this content is nowhere out there on any other copyright free music channels on YouTube. And if you have loved the video so far, I want you to like the video because it shows me how much you are following my content. If you have any doubt till now, please leave a comment. I will make sure I answer every one of them. Now with that said, you want to just click on the send button over here, and then you want to now create visualizers. Okay, you want to go and download this song. Okay, you want to go and download this song. So how you can do that? You want to click on this song over here. It will show you the song and you want to click on the link above. You want to copy this, then you want to go to Google and just search for download SoundCloud. You can go to any of these sites over here. This will help you to download the SoundCloud songs to an MP3. Now once I come over here, I'll just go and paste the link that I had copied before and click on download. Okay, once you do that, you will be able to download the track from here, but I've already done that, so I don't need to repeat it again. Now comes the best part, how you can create these amazing visualizers. Okay, you can create these amazing visualizers in 2 minutes. So you want to go to a website called as musicvid.org. Okay, now what is this website? Okay, this website is nothing but a free website that gives you free templates or free visualizers. All you want to do is you just want to add a song and they will automatically adjust the visualizer according to the beats of the song. Now let me show you an example. Okay, I've already uploaded the SoundCloud song that I had downloaded before and I've just uploaded over here. I'll mute the sound over here so that I don't get a copyright strike, because I have not yet asked the artist to upload the song. So I'll just mute the song over here and I'll just play and I'll show you. Now here you can see the visualizer is playing it pretty smoothly. Okay, it is playing it pretty smoothly. And let me tell you, if you want to customize this, if you want to customize the background, okay, I have edited the background already. If you want to change the background, if you want a free background image, you want to go to pexels.com. Once you go to pexels.com, just search for landscape. It will show you hundreds, thousands of copyright free images. Okay, you can use it anywhere and anyhow you want. I just downloaded this image over here and I just went to the editor. I just went to quick settings over here and I just clicked on change background. When I click on change background, you want to load the file from the computer and voila, it's in the background of the image. And how I got this image in mirrored format, you can scroll down and you can see over here. You can just click it over here like left half if you want the whole image. If you click on whole, it will just create a split and it will make it a mirror image. The visualizer is running according to the beat, automatic. That's it. And what you want to do, if you want to customize anything, you can all do it from here. I'm not an expert in this, so you can go and search this website and just play around with it. Then at the end, you want to click on export and you want to click on start encoding. And once you click on start encoding, it will save this video into your desktop. And once done that, you are done with creating your first video. Now all you need to do is you want to create a new Gmail account, create a YouTube channel from it, and then boom, start uploading these type of videos. Just make sure that you mention non-copyright free or copyright free safe music in your titles. Okay, make sure your title gives proper credits to the song, like it tells the name of the song, and also you want to give credits to the artist, just like how Audio Library does over here. Here you can see below over here, they have given a proper credit to the artist. Here you can see they have given their SoundCloud profile, they have given their Spotify profile, YouTube channel, etc, etc. So you want to follow the same procedure and boom, you have a unique song on your channel. I am damn sure you will be ahead of other YouTube channels out there because they are re-uploading all the same contents again and again. So I hope you found value in this video. I hope you will be implementing the strategy because I care for my viewers and I want them to take action and implement the strategy right away after they finish watching this video. If you have any comment, please comment down below. I will make sure to reply to them as soon as I see them. And in the end, I want you to again subscribe to the channel if you have not done it and hit the bell icon because as I said, I upload daily make money online videos on my channel so that you be notified and you can implement these strategies right away and you can earn thousands of dollars before anyone else does. Also, don't forget to like the video below because it shows me how much you love my content. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.